Pre-maintenance inspections identified damage to these aircraft skin panels. Common defects include deep scratches, chips and dents, often caused by debris being swept up by the propellers. Some skin defects can be repaired using patches. However, in this case, a full panel replacement was required. The damaged skin panels are carefully prepared for removal. Thousands of rivets, fasteners, and high locks must be removed. This is done by drilling and unbolting each fixing. Once the fixings are removed, the sealant must be scraped away. Specialized spacers are then used to release the panel from the structure. With careful force, the panel can be removed from the fuselage. The original panel is retained as a template for the replacement. The aircraft frame is thoroughly inspected to ensure the underlying structure remains free from damage. Each hole in the new panel is copy-drilled and countersunk. Fresh sealant is then applied to the aircraft frame. The new panel is positioned and secured using wedge locks. The team then begin fastening the thousands of rivets that are required to secure the panel in place. One of the biggest challenges is accessing confined areas. Some locations are difficult to reach with tooling and equipment. Precision tools and appropriate PPE help the team work safely and accurately. The result is a fully installed replacement panel, restoring the aircraft's structural integrity.